This is my bike check. My frame is 2011 Mirraco no.7. Start off with the grips, ODI long necks, animal bar ends, stock bars, stock forks, stock front rim. I don't have money for new stuff yet. Fit FAF white wall tires, shadow, slim seat, slim pivotal. Stolen seat post. I believe my bottom bracket is mid. Stock spindles, stock bottom bracket, stock cranks. I gotta get some new ones because paint's wearing off. Odyssey twisted PC pedals. Black Label 28.2 sprocket because 28.9 is baller. White Shadow half link. And profile mini SS cassette. Shadow 14 gauge matte blue spokes laced to Sun Big Baller rim. Yep, profile is baller. Well, that's my bike. Hope you enjoyed. Peace.